Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add text outline in Adobe Express. So get let's started. At first, open your Adobe Express document. In this video, I will show add text outline. Now going to the recent file. Now, now you can see. Then show the new interface. Then click from text option. Now select from add your text. Now type your text. Then show type from text. Now resize your text. Then select from all text. Now click for bold. Then text outline. Now going to the now click from outline thickness option. Now select, then choose from outline thickness. Now you can see, then select from outline color. Now choose color. That it's. Now you can see add outline text in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.